Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import an external voiceover inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So while Microsoft Clipchamp is pretty powerful in what it can do, some people might prefer recording with other software. For example, in this case, I'll be using Audacity as a quick example. For example, in this case, I'll be using Audacity to record my external voiceover. So I'm just going to record something real quick. Make sure my recording device is correct. Mic check, mic check. This is an example recording of an external voiceover. So I'm going to export this really quick. Just put it on my desktop. Name it external voiceover. Once that's done, it should be in, yep, there it is in my desktop. And importing it into Clipchamp is really, really easy. All we have to do is find the file and drag and drop it into our media window to import. So once that's done, it should upload. Depending on your internet speed, it might take anywhere from a few seconds, like it did with mine, to maybe a minute or so. But once that's done, you can now manipulate it inside of Clipchamp. So let's say I want to add it to my timeline. Here it is. So if we go ahead and listen to it, mic check, mic check. This is an example recording of an external voiceover. So, yep, sounds pretty good. That's exactly what I recorded, and I'm pretty pleased with how it sounds. You can also do some adjustments here inside of Clipchamp, like adjusting the volume or adding some noise suppression. Once that's done, you can use it in your videos, or maybe you'd like to export it as an audio only. That's pretty much how you would do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.